Fog comprises minute water droplets that reduce horizontal visibility to less than 5/8 statute miles or 1 kilometer. Unlike drizzle, fog remains suspended near the Earth's surface without falling to the ground. The key distinction between fog and clouds lies in their base location, with fog situated at the Earth's surface and clouds existing above it. Fog can take different forms based on its composition and formation mechanisms. Freezing fog occurs when fog is comprised of water droplets and temperatures are at or below freezing. Ice fog, on the other hand, consists of ice crystals. Shallow or ground fog is a variant that does not significantly obstruct visibility at a height of 6 feet or 2 meters above the surface. Fog forms when the air's temperature and dew point converge, either through cooling of the air, resulting in radiation fog, advection fog, or upslope fog, or by adding moisture that elevates the dew point, leading to frontal fog or steam fog. Generally, fog forms when the temperature dew point difference is less than 2 degrees Celsius, 4 degrees Fahrenheit. Radiation fog. A nighttime occurrence results from radiational cooling lowering the air temperature to or below the dew point. It often persists until after sunrise. Mountain valley fog is a subtype, common in regions with variable terrain where cold air drainage into valleys leads to fog formation. Advection fog. Advection fog is prevalent along coastal areas, especially when moist air moves over colder surfaces, causing the air to cool below its dew point. Sea fog is a manifestation of this phenomenon. It can extend over both land and sea, and its persistence is less affected by the time of day. Upslope fog. Upslope fog forms as a moist, stable air ascends sloping terrain and cools adiabatically to or below its dew point. Wind speeds of 5 to 15 knots are ideal for its formation. It is often observed along the eastern slopes of mountain ranges. Frontal fog occurs when warm, moist air rises over a front, leading to cloud and precipitation formation. If the cold air below is near its dew point, it can result in fog. Frontal fog is characterized by continuous zones of condensed water droplets and can be associated with various types of fronts. Steam fog emerges when very cold air moves over warmer water, causing moisture to evaporate, saturate, and rise as condensation. It's commonly observed over lakes and streams in cold mornings and over oceans when cold air masses move from continents or ice shelves. Freezing fog occurs when the temperature falls to 32 degrees Fahrenheit or 0 degrees Celsius or lower, causing supercooled liquid water droplets in fog to freeze instantly on exposed surfaces, presenting significant hazards for aircraft and surface transportation. Mist, another atmospheric phenomenon, is similar to fog but reduces visibility to between 5/8 statute miles or 1 kilometer and 7 statute miles or 11 kilometers. It appears as a thin grayish veil that covers the landscape with lower relative humidity compared to fog. These variations in fog and mist play critical roles in aviation and meteorology, necessitating a comprehensive understanding of their formation and characteristics for safe and informed decision making.